Next is number 46. It says using the face clamps, screw the rails to the stiles. Okay, so two ways we can do this. All right, the first way is just we can use a face clamp here and just clamp it to the table. Then we can take and put our screws, and just remember to grab the correct screw, whether you've got coarse screws or fine screws. All right, remember on pine, I've got that ratchet set way down. If I can get these together here. Okay. So see how that clamped together? Okay. And again, I'd like to have two hands to be able to do this, but one's holding the camera right now. So two hands would definitely make it a little bit easier. All right. But even with this, okay. Okay, we don't want to go through. Okay, so if you're doing pine, make sure that you really back off. I've got the clutch set here at 1 right now. Okay, the other way to do it is use the clamping board. Okay, so first of all, if we're going to do it, you notice that we cannot see any of our pocket holes right now. I've got all the good sides facing up. So if we do this, we're going to have to start doing some flipping. Okay, as I do this, I'm going to rotate things around. And make sure. Now, this makes my good sides down. Okay. Now, I really can't clamp this right now, but it's here. Now, these we actually set. They slide. Okay. So I'm going to put one here. Okay. This one I have to make sure that when I do it, okay, because what it does, it makes both these even. All right, I'll put it about in the middle. Okay, make sure it's here and here. I've got one here, make sure those are tight. Now, I've already adjusted this clamp. The adjustment is on the back side here. Okay, but when we put this on, we'll squeeze it down. And again, we don't want to squeeze it so hard that it's not going to allow anything to move. Okay, but we want to have it down nice and firm. Okay, now I'll take and put my 2 holes in here again. Again, making sure that your jointed edges are on the inside. Okay, so I'm going to put this one in here. I will probably just go ahead and rotate it around because it works a lot better when you have the 2 clamps in here to make sure that it stays square. So if I check this right now, it shows that that's nice and square, which we need to have. So when we go and put it on our project here, it helps make everything else square.